Spider JJ, Spider JJ, whatever a Spider JJ does.
Don't get close to the light, it's hot.
It's my turn now, Dad. My turn now.
Can you get up there now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Just be tough.
Oh my
I gotta balance you.
Walk on the ceiling. Don't fall on the toy. Oh, watch out, it's hot.
You gotta move your legs too like you're crawling.
It's Mama's turn.
It's my
Come on,
turn
Mama.
now.
It's Mama's turn.
I'm too big.
I think I can do it. I can put 110 pounds over my head easy.
Aww. Daddy wants extra love tonight. You can climb in bed. 4 more times?
Yes.
4 more times what?
Can you sing the God Our Father song?
No.
How's it go? God our Father.
Hey, Daddy, what me?
Look at JJ looking for his blanket. Look at him. He was reaching for it. Here you go. Are you tired?
Watch him. He's gonna go like this.
He's going to sit on the floor.
Thumb in mouth and bloop.
Pull it, bud.
Well, we're seeing if he can. Hold on, Mama.
Hop in here, JJ. Hop in.
There's nothing under there but dust bunnies, bud. No!
Don't eat a dust bunny.
What is it? Chalk.
Chalk?
Be the second time he ate chalk today.
Is JJ want to hop in here?
He's not gonna happen there. This guy is.
Those two guys.
Oh my god, Josh. Stop. You're going to throw her out of there.
Just get another scar on her head. It's alright.
Is JJ hopping in?
Hop in. Josie, go.
Hop in, JJ.
Josie.
Come on.
Hop in here, JJ.
That smells like ass, honey.
Can you push me, Dada? Can you?
Nowhere to push you. But I can show you. That worked out pretty good.
Yeah. Now stand
That's how I
up.
walk.
No, hold on.
Feel a little woozy.
Oh my god. She can't pick up her leg.
Baby, JJ, I'm in.
Do it again. You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, only if you want to. Now get her out immediately.
Whoa. Dada, father. Dada, father. Whoa.
my goodness. You can't walk, honey. She said, God, my father. God, my father.
Whoa! That's funny. No, not anymore, honey. We can settle down, honey. We can do it tomorrow. We can definitely do it tomorrow, sweetheart. We just need to settle down right now. God, my father.
Tomorrow,
No, we'll do it
hun.
tomorrow, honey. We'll do it tomorrow. It's time to settle down right now. I'm sorry I riled you up. I'll do it to Josie.
No.
You think you can handle it, Josie? You think you can do it, Josie? I think you can. I think you can.
Oh, Josh, she cannot.
I think you can.
She's going to freak out. Good girl, Josie.
Smarter than that.
Whoa. Baby JJ. Baby JJ. Josh. What are you doing?
It's okay. I can pick you up.
You're going to spin your bunny? Spin her. Oh, Elmo too?
Yeah.
He's tired. You tired?
No.
Is Elmo and Bunny tired?
Mama tired. Mama's laying in his bed. Where's Maya?
Maya?
Tiny. And Bunny tired. See? I'm a tiny, see? I'm a tiny. Yeah, Daisy.
Can you guys look at me and say goodnight?
Good night.
Look at me. Good night. Blow kisses. Do you know how to blow kisses?
Who's that, Mommy?
A video for Mima and Gigi.
Mama and Gigi.
Yeah. No. Mm-mm.